Welcome to Lonité, where we help you create a lasting memory of your loved one in the form of a beautiful memorial diamond. When you receive your submission kit, you will find everything you need to send us the ashes or hair of your loved one. Inside of the black envelope, you will find the submission guide. This guide provides detailed instructions on how to prepare the material based on the diamond size you selected during your order. For example, if you selected a 0.5 carat diamond and your material is ashes, you will need to provide 6 tablespoons or 150 grams of ashes. If you are submitting hair, you will need to provide 5 grams. Use the tweezers provided to gently place the hair into the container. Please remember, when submitting both ashes and hair, they should be placed in separate containers to ensure they are not combined. Once you have carefully packed the material, tighten the containers and place them back into the submission kit. Then securely pack the kit and send it back to our customer service team. We'll take it from there, handling everything with the utmost care. Thank you for choosing Lonité. We are deeply honored to be part of memorializing your loved one.